let's go to work.
And they're off and running.
Stone's Wall Street is a radical critique of the capitalist trading mentality, or it could be considered good old-fashioned liberal drama about the evils of unchecked capitalism. Who can forget Gekko's famous line, "Greed is good"? However, the objective of the video is not to review the movie or critique it, but to view from the perspective of a salesperson. A whole lot of this movie is about pitching ideas, making a case, negotiating, and close. In this video, we will examine the struggle of a cold calling salesman. Let's begin in the beginning. It's 9:30 hours and the salesman Bud Fox is on his seat and ready to go when the market opens. Simple but important lesson. Be on time. Being late is opportunity cost for the salesperson. Fox is ready to go with a list of semi-qualified suspects. In this era of ACB, MQL, SQL, and other such concepts, one may not agree with cold calling as a plan to generate revenues, or for that matter, with the opening lines of a call. But remember, this movie was released in 1987.
Okay, let's go to work.
And they're off and running.
Mr. Harrison, I don't know if you're aware of this enough. We are in the middle of the biggest bull market of our generation or any other I've ever witnessed. No, sir, it's not. Sir, if you just take 5 minutes of your time.
Bud Fox, Jackson Stunner.
Yes, sir, I am aware of that. But if I could just have 5 minutes of your time to explain the extraordinary opportunities presently emerging in the international debt market. No, sir, Bud Fox, Jackson Stunner.
Yes, I put in this.
Yes, I am aware of this, sir. But if I could just have 5 minutes of your time to explain the extraordinary opportunities presently emerging in the international debt market, I'm sure that.
The office is buzzing with action, especially in the sales trenches. Fox does not have a single positive call. In this situation, it's great to have the right kind of team member or friend in the trenches. John McGinley plays the role of a mentor or a friend, sharing words of encouragement. In his own fashion, though. Importantly, he keeps the salesman on track by reminding him of the phone call to Gekko, the whale. We're not discussing the actual call to Gekko's office or how Fox deals with the gatekeepers. This is for another video.
Buddy, little trouble, huh, today, buddy?
Howard the jerk reneged on me. I gotta cover his loss to the tune of about $7 grand.
Yeah, I'm holding.
I'm tapped out, Mark. American Express got a hitman looking for me.
Well, it could have been worse, right? Could have been my money.
Here, rookie. Let me help you out. I got casino.
Thanks, Marv. I'll make it up to you.
Yes, I am.
Hey, Bud, you forgetting something?
The Gekko phone call?
In the next scene, Gekko appreciates the fact that the salesman has the hunger and persistence to keep calling. 59 days in a row. Let me repeat. 59 days in a row. The box of cigars that Fox delivers for his birthday is what closes the deal. Or rather, in this case, opens the door to Gekko's office.
This is the kid. Calls me 59 days in a row, wants to be a player. Ought to be a picture of you in the dictionary on our persistence, kid. Yeah.
If you find this video useful, feel free to share and like. Click on the bell icon to subscribe and be informed of the latest videos. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Happy hunting. If you find this video useful, feel free to share and like. Click on the bell icon to subscribe and be informed of the latest videos. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Happy hunting.